Crypto Petitioner. Ballot.ai on Instagram. Liberty Economy. Oh, it says update channel to provide new stream key. Okay. Liberty Economy on X also, because all those. Too many channels? No. Which one am I going to decline? I decline the Instagram because it is what it is. I need all those X accounts. These are my crypto people. If you're watching this, I have 8 active. YouTube, Liberty, and that is X.com, Liberty Economy, Ballot AI. Then I have Sifu Nicholas Guillermo on LinkedIn because I am professional about all of this. Crypto Petitioner, DeFi of the future for you. That's Crypto Petitioner on Kick, which I don't know much about. And it says it's not able to connect to my Facebook. But I want people to follow me on X, my main account, Liberty Economy. So if you're watching, come on out, because X is where we should be sharing live streams, sharing alpha, sharing info. I eventually want to bring people in to talk about it. I'm committed. I've been doing this for years. I never really went public and live, but now I've added some leverage of some marketing tools, and people should see that I put some things together that are wonderful. And if we take advantage of the opportunity, we can do great things. All right. I have 2 utility projects we're fundraising for. I think I'm going live on all of the Facebook page is not doing very well. I am streaming on my personal Facebook page. Is that true? Anyways, it looks like I'm maxed out, so I'm just going to let it roll. Thanks for being here. All right. So we're going to dive into some of the exciting crypto stuff, like the new money that I was about to send to my wallet in order to stake some more. Like I think I have another $1,000. Just increase it. So understand these 2 utility projects are going to receive the benefit from the yield and the capital I'm able to get from this whole pool, this wallet and other wallets that I have set up. All right. So I'm building capital to invest in the projects. They were paid into on behalf of my business, Liberty Economy. And I manage them on behalf of my business account as an investment account. So all of the monies that I'm spending on it, 100% are going to be spent on the business growth that I have. The business growth that is for Ballot AI token and Economic Lift token. So when you see my accounts, and I don't know if I'll show all my public accounts. I mean, I take significant risk showing my crypto accounts, but you have to be taught to move the money through it unless you see the wallet and see things going. Some people can't learn just that way without seeing it. They need to see it. They're on a computer. They need to know exactly where to click and what to do. And I can provide videos troubleshooting and making sure that everybody's prepared to master DeFi. So that's what I'm here to do. And I figured it out when Uniswap launched, and I got the airdrop. I got the 1-inch airdrop. I was involved in DeFi for quite a while, but I'm getting back into the airdrop space. You have to find significantly quality airdrops, and I was kind of out of it. I was focusing on my work, my petition career, but I was stacking my Bitcoin and stacking my crypto the whole time, buying the whole bear market, and it was great. Now, there's been multiple years I've been in crypto since 2015. I might get confused on the timeline, but it was the last election cycle period after the halving where we had a huge parabolic move. And I chose the right token that went up 100x. And I was able to live off of that token and its yield combined with my Bitcoin, similar to how I'm going super heavy right now into various dexes. And I'll show you what I'm doing. Oh my God, it's insane. I'll show you what I'm doing. These are quality. And you can't have all your eggs in one basket. So I am going to keep other wallets and other things doing other things elsewhere, but I'll involve people. You know, some of the stuff is so good, you don't deserve to know about it, because if this video gets popular by you sharing it and getting excited, then you'll end up lowering the yield. The only way you deserve to know about it is if you're a member, an exclusive member of the community with that very minimum paid 0.05 Solana. I mean, who can't afford that? It's like $8. It's going to be nothing. And even in the future, when we've proved ourselves and Solana is like massive, okay, when Solana is massively valued, when maybe it's $1,000 for Solana, all right, after 4 years from now, the Trump initiative and other countries scrambling for Bitcoin and other cryptos, when Solana pumps and we are building this fundraiser on Solana, we'll have even 0.05 if it's $500. When people know what kind of alpha is inside these channels, they will pay the $500. We're just giving it away right now at the current rate because we can, and we want to make this attempt as we are early in this to help those who are most needy, who do not have a lot of capital, to potentially earn great value. And the potential is so real. It takes the dependency on 3 human beings that can meet you eye to eye and recognize money is important and math is crucial to recognize. If we miss a concept that can make us so ridiculously wealthy, infinitely wealthy, because we're also storing assets that are going to be extremely valuable in the future, and we can trade into Bitcoin and Ethereum and whatever assets are going to be the highest value in the future. All right. And we can catch major gains this bull market if we take action with the right direction. So I take all of the knowledge that I have since 2015. I take all of the tools that I've acquired, paid tools, membership paid tools that are very valuable on the market right now, that you'd have to pay thousands and thousands of dollars to have access to. And I will synthesize that knowledge inside the exclusive user groups. I have some of the best quality from various AI tools for predictions. And I'm putting one on right now for a farm that I want to show you. But here's the thing. It looks like the whole Sonic airdrop doesn't have a referral program anymore. They had one, didn't it? Earn. That's that, right? I'm trying to navigate around dashboard. Yeah. Points reset to 0 for season 2. Claims. Yeah, okay. So I could log in with my wallet here. But I don't see they have any referral link anymore, and that's really too bad because I was hoping I could keep promoting. I still have it, but where you sign up, where's the share points? I need to. They changed the dashboard, I think. They did. What is this? Just points. Okay. Let's see. All right, let's go. All right. I like accounts that are over 10,000, like 12,000, because it could represent like $1,000 a month that I need to pay my rent. And if I have an account like 12,000 and I'm getting over 100% yield on it, I can pay my rent every month from that. So I like having multiple accounts of $10,000 chunks and $5,000 chunks. If I'm being a little, on the risk side, I might say, okay, well, that one's a little higher risk. I'll do 5,000 instead. Okay, so I'm putting in my Ledger wallet key. Everyone needs a Ledger wallet, and I have a referral code. Just reach out to me. I'd love your support for the channel. Reach out to me on X. I want to have more conversations with people. Key is to get you active in the Telegram. We need to blow that up, and then we have a Discord that hasn't even really started. It's got some very old content in there, but it's all open, and this project's ready to go. We just need community. And why wouldn't people come together to learn about the best DeFi alpha and stablecoin swaps, which really are the formula for, that's the formula for onboarding the masses, onboarding new people. That's what I see, because there's no volatility risk. Okay, so where's my points? Am I logged in here? Yes, I have an account here, but is that the right account? No. That's the account with only $1 in Sonic. I haven't. What? That's not, I need this one, 13. Oh, because I have one of these other wallets. That's what confusing. Yep, this one. Okay, that's my chat chain GPT. It says it's not connected. It's not. This is the confusing part when you have multiple wallets. Yeah, right here. I had to use this wallet once, and now it's kind of Yeah, what I move this money. I'm not getting any yield on this, and I think I have another AI token play, and I might trade both of these that are doing okay. I found some yield on this for a while. I might go look on Base Chain again. If you want to explore Base, I was all about Base like a few months ago because they're predicting to do an airdrop, and I don't know enough about Base like to capture their airdrop. I think I did a whole bunch of stuff on Base early on, but Sonic is the one that I'm playing with right now. This is on Phantom Chain for some reason. All right. Maybe that's part of the problem. 9 EC. Oh yeah, and I still only have $1 of credit in there. So how do I switch to another one? Okay, disconnect. Let's try this again. You disconnect at the bottom, and then you should be just on the right wallet, and then connect. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's all I have, about 47 Sonic in there, but I have 527 points. Season 2. Pretty cool. Okay. I'm going to go explore those apps, but I want to get another $1,000 in my pool over here. Let's go take a look. It wasn't working earlier. Like the signal was down, and it's not working exactly right now this second. We'll see. This one still says I have 390 Sonic points. But then it worked when I wasn't streaming. I think that's one of the problems. Like that literally limits everything when the streaming data takes up the space that I can't show you what I'm doing. Because I had that same problem when I was buying the NFT, because I purchased this NFT. And I recommend, not to listen to this as financial advice, but I purchased this and I'm getting yield on it. And see, it's just loading. It's like some sites require more data. I think that's what it is. And I was getting stuck on that. I could not. And that was the same with this one. I was going to extract this one. This is the one I think I'm going to take this out because that's wrapped Sonic and USDE, but it is a good yield. 100, is it still 150, 145? Compare that over here. That one looks like it's actually working. 145 APY. That's, and you get these points. That's going to equate to an airdrop rank. I'm in above 10,000. Lots of people. I want to bring this up. I want to get to 5,000. I would like to be in the first 1,000, but that required me moving a lot of capital over here. And I'm curious about it because I really am building on this network. I'm building on this network. So it basically makes sense for me to explore this and go deep and get all the yield. And when I finish the stream, I bet you it's going to work fine. This one, I'm going to keep this one. I mean, it's doing good. It's Sonic, it's USD. I kind of like the two volatile tokens because I can go ahead and take the SwapX. And I can go over here. And let me show you one of my robots. Let's go over here. This is one of the paid robots. Like, you need thousands of dollars to get this. Okay, where'd it go? So I can use it all the time. My higher level community members, of course, I want to give you access. I want to be here. I'm here every day. I had just bought this one called Tagger, and I'm getting some crazy like 1,000% APY on a sophisticated decentralized exchange. This is an AI platform. I was like, oh, it's Graffiti Tagger or something? No. Artificial intelligence. Okay. And I can show you that, but you got to be a member. Strong buy. And I'm going to go look up another token real quick. Let's see. Ooh, strong sell. Neutral. Well, you know what, though? Come on, bros. That's the bottom of the bottom. Now, it is an issue that it can go lower. I see what you're saying. So maybe I should dip in and dip out. But let's go check out any of these other ones if they're good. Let me check out their other one. WagMe. I like this one. Yo, this is the Sonic chain. WagMe. Strong sell also. Let's go. We got to go now. Absolutely go through and check out which of these Sonic tokens. So Sonic is on the low. Let's just see what it even says about Sonic. I'd be shocked if it says something wrong with Sonic. And you think I would have already done that. But I just trust my intuition on some stuff. But I can use this. It's subjective. Because the airdrop. Sell? Really? Really, bros? Well, Okay, let me see. Let's find out if this one. Let's find out. Let's find out if this one over here is doing well. This is River. Let's go check out River because I like River. Is it a scheme? Let's see if River's over here. This one's gonna be tough. It's not even known yet. That makes sense. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm in here before anyone else. That's why I'm able to get like crazy yield on here. All right. And I want to check my wallet. There we go. So 2,000%. And this is USD. Don't tell me that's not alpha. I can take my profits from TAG, stake them in Donald Trump's Liberty Financial stablecoin, insured and regulated, and take all my profits. I can also put it into Bitcoin, but I like to have a pool of stablecoins. The market might dip. I don't have a lot in here. I'm just testing at 16. But I'm thinking about, keeping tabs on my stablecoin farms like this because I'm going to be ready to move them at periodic times when I check an overall indicator. If I check out the overall indicator on, we can go, let's go. I mean, I'm bullish on Bitcoin, so I'm not worried about that. If it goes down a few thousand, forget about it. 10,000, I'm still holding. 20,000, yeah, maybe not. Because I'm good. If it was dropping, some news is happening, and that, like, if this quantum hack FUD is BS, then it's going to be okay. Let's see how much that actually equates to, don't you think? Now, let me set up my wallet again. Is it set up? Oh, this is also a common problem. It will have me logged into Solana by default. I got to switch to BNB chain. Okay. Claim and stake. Oh, claim and stake. So they have unstake and they have claim and stake. They don't have a simple, really, you can't just take your yield. Hold on. Okay. See, you learn these things as you go. Stake, unstake, but I can unstake a certain amount. So since my earned reward is 1,265, I can unstake 1,265. All right. Go ahead. Now I am confirming on my ledger to agree. Make sure you get your ledger from me if you don't already have one. You got to save up for that. You might have to use these farms to save up, right? Now, let's go ahead and this does not have a swap, does it? This does not have a swap. That's interesting. Okay, so and we're on BNB chain now. So now I got to find the pancake swap. All right. Now, how am I going to do this? I'm going to have to find out. I can't see my keyboard anymore. By the way, the lights went out, so I got to get a new keyboard myself. What's going on? Okay, we were just at River. Just confirmed I got the tokens. Let's see, what were the transactions? Withdrawal, tag. Okay, so now I have tag on Binance Chain. Okay, so let's go look that up. So tag, we'll go over to CoinGecko, type in tag, find it, and you go over like this. And yes, it's peaking, but I don't think it's even gotten started. This is just like the launch in January. And now it's getting into a yield farm. People learn about Tagger Pro. You can check that out. But this is what you do. You go to this link over here, right here. And you click contract. And then you go to Le Pancake Swap. Tag. And then you flip that. I could sell all of that. Let's see how much stable coins is that. Wait. 1,265. 50. Is that all it is? Oh, wait. Give me a second. Let's go and double check this. We had earned was 1,270. So was that only 50 cents? 50 cents? It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, 1,271. And I got it over here in Pancake. It's not really that much. So it's about 50 cents. But how much did I put in there? That's the question. 50 cents a day. I mean, it's passive, right? But that's not much. Nothing to brag about. Over here, I got some money, 27s. But this is a high yield farm. So what's going on? So how much did I even put in there? Oh, 3,000. Well, you know what? Actually, be fair, I think I did this afternoon. That's how I did. I did this afternoon. That's why this was done at my noontime kind of conference. So I'm not even accounting for a day. So we're going to come back here and look at this tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be a few bucks. That'll be cool. It says it's 2,000 APY. Now this one's doing well. You know what? I'm just going to convert that to gas while I'm over here because I need to get some more BNB anyway. And even start staking my BNB. I'll do that. I'll stake a small amount of BNB. Tag. Just give me a rate, please. Swap. I can trust you. Oh yeah, it's only 50 cents. Well, you know what? I'm just going to move it for the sake of moving it to show you how it's done. We were using Pancake Swap years ago. Still useful. Still top decks on Binance Chain. It's carrying Trump's Liberty coin. And we're going to make some money off of it. All right. Now, I'll spend time doing this right now, but I'm about to move some serious money here. Because I knew I was low on gas here from earlier, and I did not address that. I only need a few bucks. 50 cents helps me significantly. I don't want to get stuck here, so I'm just being proactive. All right, since I'm already here, now I see this stuff is just going to hang out. I want to put some real stablecoin. I want to get like 1,000 in here and see what happens. But I'm also super bullish. Like the market's about to go cranking. I could even just take this wrap BNB and let that rip. And this Zeta right here is hot. This Merrill, it's at the all-time low. I was checking out their decks. It looks a little weak right now. I got to check it out again. But I had a lot of belief in that one when it first came out. I'm going to check out this B2. I think that one's going to be for real. All these projects need to be reviewed, And this is a multi-chain platform, and let's see if they're doing anything on other chains. What's going on over here on Hemi? We got nothing on Hemi. Okay, so it's all BNB right now, but that's okay. They are adding the stuff, and I just like that it had that stable coin. That's what I found, because that's what this whole project is about, getting higher and higher yield stablecoins to take profits as we go into the bull market. And this one said it was super bullish on the robot meter. So I'm hoping to turn this 3.2K, into like 10K and get this crazy yield off it for a while and then pour that in over here. So that's my plan. I got a little simple plan, one screen. If you like this content, go to Liberty Economy and subscribe. We'll be checking out all these chains on this channel 100%. I already got the airdrop from Arbitrum. I'm working on the base one because I've been doing a lot of stuff on base. Yeah, I just switched for no reason. But yeah, this is all good. So what do I want to do today? I want to get my yield, but we did have a problem with it not loading, right? So I think that might still be the case. Yeah. When I'm done this call, I'll be able to get all my money. But that's why I can't really do too much of a Just like, I can't do too much. Because I even have other things to do. But this right here is a key component of what we need to do to make money, save money. Let me find where you're at. 1 second. Let's see. Here we go. All right. Well, hey, if you're watching here and you like some of this content, you saw what I'm playing with over here. You cannot see this pool. That is too bad. Now it looks like it's something showing up. Yeah. It says I got a few bucks claimable over here and this other type of VSwap X. But yeah, you can't see this. That's too bad because that's what I wanted to show you. And it's totally because of the signal. I know it. Other than that, I want to show you the Sonic ecosystem. No more referral link. That's what it looks like. It used to have a way to connect to your X profile right here. Totally did. Well, I was early. I was telling you all to get in. And that's all there is to it. You got to be earlier next time. I want to check out some new apps while I'm here. Because I don't need to move all my money right now. With it not working, it's like, I'm not going to try getting stuck. But yeah, Kyber Swap is good. Let's see what they're doing on Sonic, actually. They've been good to me. I've used them in the past, gotten great yields, come and go. I always come back to Kyber Swap. They've been significant. They've had some great yield for a long time on great projects. Ooh, it says Ethereum. See that? See that glitch? It said Sonic on the Ethereum, Ethereum on the Sonic. All right, let's go over here. I want to get some yield in Kyber because I really trust their APY. Highlighted pools. Wow, these are good yields. But tokens, if I don't know what they are, I got to look those up. I may not want these. Low volatility, solid earning. Okay. They're all right. Gold and Coj looks like. I don't know what Coj is. I want to find out. Yeah, stable coins and volatile coins. So they're helping out with some core liquidity in the space. But I'm not 100% convinced on it right this second. On-chain cyber protection for audited smart contracts. I need to get that for my project. So offer NFT staking projects plus an NFT. I'll come back to that. Permissionless lending. Yeah, I got to do some lending. Let's go check out Dahlia. Cow USD. Talk about risk framework. Okay. Flexible oracles. Chainlink Uniswap. Okay. Security and audits. Very good. Let's go check this out. I like that they just show that right on the front. All right. So got some years. Is that Barachain? Barachain. Oracle Pyth. Yeah. Let's see. So what is this? They're lending pools, whole pools, it looks like. Interesting. All right, well, I have to come back to that. Pretty happy with just a couple farms I have. If I can show you, it'd be great. But yeah, we're having some of these pages like these don't take too much data. Probably it still seems a little slow. Oh yeah, so I'm definitely going to the BTC5. Solve, that was one of them, and Stakestone. Yeah, these are going to be explored tomorrow, folks. I actually did check out Stakestone. Stakestone looked like it had something going on. I didn't really check out Solve. Let's check this out real quick. Staking, DeFi. Oh, they have a lot of chains. Rootstock as well. That's a Bitcoin. I'm all about that. Barachain. I was in the Bear airdrop. Being active about that in that. Linea is great. Mantle's great. Arbitrum. Yep, I was doing all of these. Hyper's up and coming. It's been up and coming. Let's go. Staking. Okay, so this is staked Bitcoin. And they're getting little yield. This is this APY decent? 7% on Barachain. Yeah. All right. Still better than any bank. Still better than any bank. But you want to stake stable coins at really high yields. This is impressive enough for me. Yield market. 10% APY. No, that's Arbitrum and Binance. So, yeah, it's not impressive enough for me. I need to chase the big money. I don't care if it's Bitcoin chain yet. I want to see better Bitcoin chains, so I'm looking for them. Spot DEX. Checked out the launch pads. They weren't working very well. Stablecoin stuff is good. Banks, Facts, Tokamak. Let's check out this one. Excuse me. I like their presentation. Auto pools. That's what I'm talking about. That can be great. They automatically rebalance. Oh, and we're not getting enough signal for it. I think it has more to do with than just the wallet. Let's try. Welcome to deposit any asset output of your choice. Each representing that's online DEX destinations. Nice. They have stable coins, autonomous rebalancing. Those are online pools, powerful. I love that. Rewards and fees. I should be all in this. I should be deep in this one. Where the fees generate liquidity provision are compounded in the respective auto pool. Yes. Compounding receipt. Token receipt, liquid auto tokens last. Auto ETH are rewarded, bearing and can be seamlessly integrated across DeFi. You can stake any LAT within Tokamak to earn token rewards. Oh, I love that too. Staking upon staking. That's what that is. It's a yield generating asset that you then also stake to generate more yield instead of spending it so it keeps its value up. That's interesting. Well, I'm going to have to understand how that works better. Looks like another situation. I can't do live stream. So you know what, folks? I'm going to have to explore this more. You can explore it more. Get back to me. All right. We will talk. We'll find out what you find, what alpha's out there. And I am looking forward to giving away prize pools. I've announced this. I haven't set them up yet, but it's going to happen. Okay. You want to be first? Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to have all my levels of 10 through 70, and I've checked out so many different farms, 10 through 70 plus APY. And I'm going to put all the best farms, even with that I can find with this token metrics grid. I'm going to make sure that they're really the quality farms with the best volatile tokens are rewarding you as well. And I'm going to lay all those out for you. And, you know, the plan is just to know that this is a safe home for the bear market and the bull market, just to be grateful when we reach new all-time highs that we've taken gains. Because we've already gone through such a rise from where we've been. But I have a pretty strong feeling that it can also drop below those rates, because there's going to be a lot of institutional investors and so forth that are part of this rally that will dump huge amounts when it gets to a certain point. I just love to be super bullish to infinity, but the stable coins are super bullish because here's the thing. You only need, like I said, if I have 12,000 stable coins generating yield, that can be about $1,000 a month. I'm safer right now keeping them in volatile tokens with great yield, huge, 100%, 150%. You saw the yield, and get that volatile yield because those coins themselves are about to skyrocket. So I'm going to have yield and those increased token values. All right. So that's the thing. Then you can take that and then you put it into stable coins, then you can lock it down. And you know this is going to be the place to be when the bear market hits, because I have the stablecoin research on lockdown. we will have a better system. We're going to have more public prizes because, once I've made a ton of money again off this, like I did the last bull market and the bull market before that, I'm going to set aside some for the community, because giving back is how I can reward that kind of participation and growth aspect that ultimately fuels the value of the tokens I'm launching. Because the tokens are launched on value that people give them. If you see value in the alpha that I share, you can own my tokens. And although it's kind of voluntary, what's not voluntary is the real cream de la creme that I can give you with my tools, my insights, is only going to be available for those who've joined the Yin Yang DAO. I need 3 people to watch this video. All right. And I already have some other people I've taught, but I need 3 people that will sit one-on-one, go through some of these farms, stake those stable coins, stake those volatile pools, recognize what they're dealing with and how much value this has, and then teach 3 more. All right. Taking the time to teach someone obviously is a sacrifice. What else is it? I have other things to do. I can focus on my own money. But I'll take that sacrifice because with faith that we know this is a world trend that is in demand, that if we have the right quality people that will brand themselves as DeFi educators that want to be known for this and actually do it, then we can grow an ecosystem of tokens that solve major world problems from this referral network that will be extremely valuable. You will make a lot of money very simply referring 3 people who then duplicate and refer 3 more. What are the reasons for duplication? Having success in understanding the DeFi markets, having multiple chains that you can navigate through and source the best yield at all times, have the tools to research new projects and change that can have that 50x, 100x quality, where we can just see massive gains. Of course, like the airdrops and the just new token launches when they drop, they usually launch. Some initial investors sell, and then it drops, and that's where you can buy and get some good price points. And when we have strategies like this, that's good. I also have the tools now to start getting into trading, and I will have the time actually looking at the charts and doing some leverage trades. And I want to get into that, but I'm such more of a builder. So if anyone out there is trading, they're trading large and they're making some great money because they've developed that skill set, invest in the building that I'm doing, because my plan is just buying the assets needed to grow this project. Like right now, I have some amazing AI assets, chop up video, do some automations and post them. I'll probably do this video. And I want to teach other people to do the same with content. Like now one of them is taking WordPress content that I have on the site, ballot.ai, and it's taking that WordPress and it's reproducing new content from it. Now, I have to check back and see how it's doing because it just produces on the fly. I don't even check it. It could be kind of a detriment. I think it was just posting images, but they have great customer support, so I just need to write it back. And I should do that soon. But yeah, this is great. It's super late, but I love what I'm doing all day studying insurance. I'm 40% through. This is where I left off last time before a new petition drive came up. And sure enough, a petition drive came up just now in Michigan to have voter ID. Okay. Very, very popular petition. It's going to pay very well. And I just can't do it. I got to finish the insurance testing. And then maybe I'll even pass that and get through the summer and then jump into Michigan towards the end. Like, we'll see. I can make some good money doing that. But ideally, I can start just focusing on the yield, focusing on my trading, develop some trading skill, developing the marketing, getting that token value up, of course, and just pay my way to build my token projects around the year with my insurance license. So I'm right at the brink of doing that. And that's exciting because a lot of people didn't think I could do it. I don't know why. It just takes, like any student learning, how you learn by reading and writing, speaking. I talk to myself out loud and I speak the writings that I read so that it anchors into my brain and my subconscious mind through my vocals, through my voice, And I'm really here to learn and study. This is a great focus to develop my brain tissue to be flexible, because next I'm jumping right into the code and 100% learning code, and I'll be doing some trading stuff because I want to build a bot to then take all these stablecoin farms and unite them and control them, make sure that we can de-risk if anything happens, like if there's depegging, we can have that bot do a withdrawal, have it monitor everything, have it find pools automatically. That's my dream. And just have a stable bot that just sources from all kinds of different platforms, like a lot of these do. A lot of these ones out there, and I think what they do is they just keep a portion for themselves. But I don't know. I can find such better yield that these ones don't even find. That for them to be paying 6-7% is a travesty for the alternative investor who wants to go for the big stuff. If they're already big and they're trying to just scrape off the top and keep too much for themselves and get greedy, they're not going to survive. I'm for any blockchain. I don't stick to just one blockchain. Maybe the blockchains I build on. Yeah, Sonic and Solana. They fit so well together. They're both hyper fast. Sonic's got all the liquidity. I mean, Sonic's got some good liquidity right now. Solana has all the liquidity. I want to see it move there. That's why I'm connected with my dev right now, talking to him about helping look for that grant and build the bridge from Solana to Sonic and back and forth, and maybe use Ton Chain because he's already working on Ton Chain and Telegram. So that would be huge. And anyway, that's just the news. I'll let you know. My dev's sick, so wish him well. Hope he gets better. And everybody know that we're dependent on those who watch the video, take action, get involved in the Yin Yang DAO, start applying yourself, start getting some yield, even if it starts with just $10, like I showed you right over here. That's all I'm doing over here. I just already withdrew. This is $16, right? I've earned 15.65 of these river tokens. This is just since this afternoon, I've earned 1,000. See, it chips up every second. Earn it every second. Come back here tomorrow. It's going to be great. I feel like putting $1,000 in here. If I put 4,000 right here, it could be a great play because, again, the token metrics says that's a great play. Let's check this again. That's what I came here to do, if anything, because that shouldn't take too long. All right, we are doing... Oh, you know what? Tell me, am I even sharing the screen? Am I even sharing the screen for the viewers? I am not. Dang. Well, then I kept this stuff secret. I still have 2 people watching. Wow. You see, that's why you need to communicate with me. You need to reach out to me and say, "Hey, your mic isn't on," or something. Your screen is not shared, which happened today. What do I want to do? All right, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna just share the entire screen, okay? All right. Boom. I should know until I see the whole little tunnel vision. It's not shared yet. Okay. Let's go check this out. You can't even see anything. No wonder you don't even know. All right. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to check out this token again on right here, River. It's called Tag. Okay. I'm going to go back to our bot. Tagger. Oh yeah, because that's right. Because I was consolidating my money Solana, and this is Binance Chain, and that's what upsets me. It's not part of the airdrop, and it is kind of at an all-time high already. Like it just took a dip, so it probably keep ripping. It's been ripping since May 29th. It went like this, and then June 18th, it's just cranking back. June 30th, I love that. July 4th, July 5th, yeah, it definitely looks like it's about to rip some more. Could. It says strong buy signal, and I can cross-chain to BNB and get some more so that I can bring it into Sonic later, and that could be good. I have not found the super massive yield in Sonic that I want other than over here in Shadow, but they will liquidate you so fast. And does it work? Let's see. Shadow is pretty amazing, actually. Big old 528 sonic points. 528. Isn't that the healing frequency? What is 528 hertz? Asking Siri. Oh, my phone died right as I asked it. What is 528 hertz? Isn't it? I think it is. All right. Yeah. See, it's the loading position. So this isn't going to work while I'm trying to live stream. I just need to get some better signal. I can't do anything about it. I have the best, highest signal here, except for it's not direct tethered. So I'll try to come back here tomorrow with a direct tether. All right. So that's all there is for that. Make sure you come to this Telegram, okay? Hey, I do my best. Every night I get better. I'm cool. I'm going to go back and finish what I was doing. Yin Yang DAO, come down and see us. Yin Yang smart contracts, okay? And I'll send you my bot. It looks like this. I just heard a firework over here. This is what the bot looks like, okay? I'll send the bot. See if I view. You can see these levels, people that have joined. Oh, he's working on it. When it doesn't work, that means he's working on it. Right? Yeah, okay. All right. I'll just trust everything's cool. I think he's making this thing. Oh, there we go. I love it. Yeah. I need my level 6 to get one person. 10% goes to the DAO of up, 10% goes to Lyft. You can buy Lyft right now from Lazy Bear. Lazy Bear, just a few buyers, myself. All right. That's how new it is. And yeah, you can join this. I've referred people. They just don't refer people. They're not at that level yet. So we're going to figure this out. We'll get things going here. I need to definitely refer some more people. So be part of that. All right. Come on down to Yin Yang DAO on Telegram. Yin Yang smart contract. All right, that's been enough for tonight. I did my best. I'll do better tomorrow and share properly. You all take care.